Beautiful day today. I'm realizing more and more that I should probably share more about who I am. Okay? I don't know if you guys can hear that, but my Samsung robot health person or health robot trainer or whatever is like yelling in my ears right now. Anyway, I realized that you guys probably don't know who I am, and I really don't know how to explain who I am. So I think I'm just gonna start telling stories about where I've come from. So I'm gonna just call this story You Need to Fear Sheep, or Why I Hate Sheep. And I know that sounds like a very strange statement, but let me explain. So, my family grew up in Queens, and I'm the number am I? I think I'm number 6. Yeah, I'm number 6 out of 8 kids. My dad lived in Queens his whole life. My mom immigrated from Japan in the 60s, or the 70s. And so my dad lived in the city his whole life. Queens is a borough of New York. And he moved to the country when I was 2 months old. Moved to a town called North Salem. If you're a X-Men fan, you know where that is, upstate New York. Anyway, when he moved, he got a front yard, and what he realized was that now that he had a front yard, he should have animals. But he had no idea how to take care of them. There's a ton of apologize about that, but I don't care. So what did he do? He went with his best friend, Uncle Johnny D'Alessandro, and they bought sheep. Yeah, they bought sheep. They bought 2 sheep. One was named, I think her name was Mama Luke. That was the female ewe. And then the other one was named Thunder. And he was the ram. Well, something they didn't realize was that sheep have twins. A lot. About every 9 months, actually. And so over the next couple of years, we ended up with about 22 sheep. And thank goodness for my sister Melissa, who knew how to actually take care of animals, or knew how to read books about it. Because otherwise those sheep would have died. So fast forward till I'm about 5. No, I was 6, 7? I don't know. When do you start kindergarten? Anyway, first grade and kindergarten, these sheep were a little bit older by this time. We had about 22 sheep. And Thunder is a full-blown ram now. He, I don't know. We lived on about 50 acres that my dad rented from the city of New York. It was on the side of Titica's Dam. The house isn't there anymore. It got knocked down a couple of years ago. Anyway, so Thunder is a horrible animal. He would watch... Okay, I'm going through not PTSD, but I'm going through trauma right now, remembering all this. What ended up happening was this. Every morning before school, we would all line up at the front of the house. I think my brother Micah had left the house by this time. And so there was about 6 of us lined up, or 5. Matthew my 2 younger siblings were not going to school yet. And what we would do is we would all line up at the front door, and we would watch Thunder from the front door. We would just be kind of right behind each other, leaning to see which way he was facing. And what would happen was he would turn and face the other way, and then we would all run out of the door as fast as we could. And when we got outside, we would scatter because you could only hit one of us. And we would be running as fast as we could to the bus stop, which was about, I would say it was maybe 200 yards away. It was across the street. It was up a little hill. And what would happen is you'd be running full tilt, backpack, lunch, everything, running as hard as you can. And out of nowhere, this animal would just hit you in the legs, boom, and knock you right off of your feet. There'd be books flying, your lunch would get thrown, and then this animal would try to hit you again. And it was just the worst nightmare you could possibly imagine. It was crazy. It was crazy. The worst way to start your day trying to go to school. Anyway, so the worst part was I was the youngest at that time going to school. So I was the slowest. So I got hit quite a number of times by this stupid animal. Anyway, sorry, I shouldn't say stupid. So fast forward another about 4 years. So 8, 9, 10, maybe 7, 8, 9, 10. About 3 or 4 years later, we have to leave the property. And we take all the sheep, and actually they butcher them. My parents, they get them butchered. And every single one of us ate a piece of thunder. It's the worst piece of animal meat I've ever had. But I ate every bit of him that I could. And we all ate him. He was tough, gamey, terrible. But, howdy. But man, dude, that's why I hate sheep. Now, I don't think you have to hate sheep, but I do. And it's not like I wouldn't have sheep. I might have sheep when I'm older. I don't know. But they're just terrible animals. They're just, at least the rams. The ewes, actually, I didn't mind. The lambs, I didn't mind. That stupid ram was just awful. It's terrible. Anyway, I don't like rams. You can Google on YouTube or search on YouTube for videos of rams being mean, and you'll find out real fast about what I'm talking about. I'll try to link a video, probably my favorite video of watching rams is this one ram just headbutting a what's that called? A cow. Just knocking it out. It's crazy. It's the worst. It's like one of the worst things I've ever seen. Whew. Anyway, that's who I am. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't even know why you would want to watch a video about this, but you should hate sheep. And so do I. All right. Hope you guys are well. God bless you. I'm going to continue to share tech support things with you guys if you want. If you guys want more videos like this, just let me know. I think I'm going to use this as my introduction to this channel. I'm very interested in a lot of different things, and I realized I've been trying to do just tech support stuff on this channel. I'm done with that. I'm just going to do what I'm interested in. If you are looking for the tech support stuff, go to lowtechsupport.com. That's my website. If you want just stuff like this, go to danielbazzani.com. That's my website. And yeah, hope you guys are well. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Leave a comment down below if you have an animal that you really don't like, or an animal you'd like to one day eat, or if there's a reason why you don't eat animals. Yeah, leave it down below. I'd love to hear it. All right, hope you guys are well. God bless you. Peace.